Hi, this restaurant looks nice.
Yes, it does. I heard the food here is very good.
Great. I'm really hungry.
Me too. Let's go inside.
Okay.
Oh, a waiter is coming.
Good evening. A table for two, please.
Yes, please.
This table is nice.
Yes, I like it. It's near the window.
Here are the menus.
Thank you.
There are many choices here.
Yes, everything looks delicious.
What do you want to eat?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe pasta.
That sounds good. I may order chicken.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, maybe orange juice.
I think I'll have water.
Good idea.
The restaurant is very calm.
Yes, it's a nice place.
I like the atmosphere.
Me too. I'm excited for the food.
Let's decide what to order.
Okay. I am ready to order my drink.
Me too. What would you like?
I would like a glass of orange juice, please.
That sounds good.
What about you?
I would like a glass of water.
Just water?
Yes. I want something simple.
That's a good choice.
Here comes the waiter.
Excuse me, we are ready to order drinks.
Yes. I would like a glass of water, please.
And I would like a glass of orange juice, please.
Thank you.
The waiter is very polite.
Yes. The service is nice here.
I like this restaurant.
Me too. It feels comfortable.
I'm looking at the menu again.
Have you decided what to eat?
Not yet. I am thinking about the grilled chicken.
That sounds delicious.
What are you thinking of ordering?
Maybe the pasta with vegetables.
That sounds very good.
Yes, I love pasta.
Our drinks are here.
Great. Let's drink while we choose our food.
Good idea. Okay, we have our drinks. Are you ready to order food?
Yes, I think I am ready. I'm very hungry.
Same here. What do you want to eat?
I think I will have pasta with vegetables.
That sounds good. I'm thinking about grilled chicken.
Nice choice. It comes with rice?
Yes, I think it comes with rice and salad.
That sounds healthy.
Here comes the waiter.
Excuse me, we are ready to order.
Yes, please.
I would like the pasta with vegetables, please.
And I would like the grilled chicken with rice and salad, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I hope the food is good.
I'm sure it will be. This restaurant looks popular.
Yes, many people are eating here.
What do you want to do while we wait?
Maybe we can talk about our day?
Good idea. My day was very busy.
Mine too. I worked all morning.
I'm happy to relax now.
Me too. This is a nice break.
I like eating out sometimes.
Yes, it feels nice and relaxing.
Our food should come soon.
Yes, I'm excited to eat.
Our order is done. Now we just wait.
Yes, I'm really hungry now.
Me too. I hope the food comes soon.
The restaurant is quite busy today.
Yes, many people are eating.
Do you come here often?
Not really. This is my second time.
Oh, I see. I come here sometimes with friends.
That's nice. Do you like it?
Yes, I like the food here.
What is your favorite dish?
I like the pasta. It is very good.
I can't wait to try it next time.
Here comes the waiter.
Oh, maybe our food is ready.
Yes, I think so.
Excuse me.
Is our food ready?
Yes, here it is.
Great!
Thank you.
The food looks delicious.
Yes, it smells very good.
Let's start eating.
Yes, I'm so hungry.
Me too. Enjoy your meal.
You too.
Hi, Dave. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Where do you want to eat?
I want to go to a restaurant.
What kind of food do you like?
I like fast food and simple meals.
Do you want to eat here or take it to go?
I want to eat here.
What will you order?
I will order a burger and fries.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I want a soda.
Do you like this restaurant?
Yes, the food is very good.
Is it expensive?
No, the prices are reasonable.
How long do we have to wait?
We have to wait about 10 minutes.
Are you excited to eat?
Yes, I am very excited.
Hi, Tom. Thanks for meeting me today.
Hi, Anna. I'm happy to be here.
Have you ever been to this cafe before?
No, this is my first time here.
It's one of my favorite places in the city.
It looks very cozy and comfortable.
Yes, I love the atmosphere here.
I can smell fresh coffee already.
The coffee here is excellent.
Great. I really need a good cup of coffee today.
Let's find a table first.
That table near the window looks nice.
Good idea. I like sitting by the window.
We can also watch people outside.
Exactly. It's relaxing.
The cafe seems busy today.
Yes, many people come here after work.
I see students, friends, and couples.
It's a good place to meet people.
I agree.
Here is the menu.
Wow, there were many choices.
They have coffee, tea, pastries, and sandwiches.
Everything sounds delicious.
What do you feel like drinking today?
I think I'll order coffee.
Good choice. Their coffee is famous.
What about you?
I might order tea.
Great. Let's go order at the counter.
The line isn't too long today.
That's good. I was afraid we would have to wait.
Look at the menu board above the counter.
I see espresso, latte, cappuccino, and americano.
There are also iced drinks.
I'm in the mood for something hot.
Same here.
I'm thinking about ordering a cappuccino.
That's a great choice.
What are you going to order?
I think I'll get a green tea.
Do you usually drink tea?
Yes, especially in the afternoon.
Toffee helps me stay awake.
Sometimes coffee makes me too energetic.
That's true.
Do you want sugar in your cappuccino?
Maybe just a little.
I prefer my tea without sugar.
Here we are at the counter.
Hello, we'd like to order.
1 cappuccino, please.
And 1 large green tea.
Could I also get a small glass of water?
That's a good idea.
Now we just have to pay.
I'll pay for the drinks.
Thanks, I appreciate that.
Let's wait for our order.
After that, we can go back to our table.
Our drinks are ready.
That was fast.
Here is your cappuccino.
Thanks. It smells wonderful.
And here is my green tea.
The color looks beautiful.
Let's sit down again.
Good idea.
Try your cappuccino.
Wow, it's really good.
I'm glad you like it.
Your tea must taste good too.
Yes, it's very refreshing.
Do you come here often?
Usually once or twice a week.
That's nice.
Sometimes I bring a book and relax here.
That sounds peaceful.
I also like making friends here.
Like today.
Exactly.
I see many pastries at the counter.
Yes, they look tempting.
I'm starting to feel a little hungry.
Me too, actually.
Maybe we should order something to eat.
That's a great idea.
What do you feel like eating?
Maybe cake or a croissant?
Let's go check the pastry display.
Look at all these pastries.
They look amazing.
I see muffins, croissants, and cakes.
The chocolate cake looks delicious.
I agree.
I'm thinking about ordering a sandwich too.
That's a good idea if you're hungry.
The chicken sandwich sounds good.
I think I'll order a chocolate croissant.
Excellent choice.
And maybe an orange juice.
I might get another coffee later.
Here comes the barista.
Hello, we'd like to order some food.
1 chocolate croissant, please.
And 1 chicken sandwich.
Also, 1 orange juice.
Thank you very much.
The food will be ready soon.
I'm looking forward to it.
The smell of fresh bread is wonderful.
Yes, it makes me even hungrier.
Let's go back to our table.
Good idea.
Our food should arrive soon,
I'm excited to try the sandwich.
and I can't wait to eat the croissant.
This cafe really has great food.
I'm happy I brought you here.
Me too.
The croissant was delicious.
My sandwich was excellent.
I'm feeling very full now.
Me too.
The drinks were great as well.
I really enjoyed the cappuccino.
I'm glad you liked it.
This cafe has a great atmosphere.
Yes, it's relaxing and friendly.
I understand why you like coming here.
Should we ask for the bill?
Sure, let's do that.
Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Here it is.
The prices are reasonable.
Yes, not too expensive.
I'll pay this time.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
Next time you can pay.
Deal.
Would you like to come here again sometime?
Definitely.
Maybe next weekend.
That sounds perfect.
Let's stand up and leave.
I had a great time today.
Me too.
Thanks for inviting me.
You're welcome.
See you next time at the caf.